All right, so today we have the Dell XPS 9700. It's a plain black box, 17-inch laptop. This is the 2020 model. So, of course, box in a box. This box is nothing, just a holder. Now this is a little candy for you. Nice little packaging. I like some impressions on the box, where it kind of looks like it's been opened. I don't know if those are coming through there, but it should be brand new, but it looks kind of used. There's the Dell itself. Of course, in here, just a little booklet with information. Of course, XPS 17 9700. Here is the 130 watt power brick. Obviously a 3-prong charger. Nice little note in here about using recycled plastics. And then this is the adapter, since it's all USB-C, if you want to use a USB-A or HDMI. So it is fairly light, really. Let's see the ports here. We have 2 USB-C in the Kensington. Over here, also 2 USB, they're all Thunderbolt 3, and an SD card and the headphone jack. And then, of course, the ventilation on the bottom. I did see a lot of complaints about not having a lip to open it, and they are kind of correct. I mean, you just kind of put your finger on there and it opens up, but. So the Dell, of course, is a 17-inch. This is a 15-inch. You can see the 17-inch is barely bigger than the Lenovo Yoga C630, I think. It's the 4K Yoga Chromebook. Here's my Razer Blade Pro 17, which absolutely swallows it and has a fingerprint magnet. So you can see, they're both 17-inch laptops. This one has a 16:10 screen. The Razer has a 16:9 screen. They're both 17 inches, and the Razer is substantially larger. So the keyboard is nice looking. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Let me set it up and then we'll go through that shortly. All right, so here is, move to a different area. You can see the keyboard nice and clear here. I can already tell without even using it that I'm gonna like this keyboard a lot better than the Razer. Let's go ahead and turn them on. You can see the Dell logo. It's interesting. So I have a non-Dell charger plugged in. I just plugged it into one I had and it gave me a little warning saying it was not the right one. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit F1 to keep going.
Hi there. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
So I just recently picked up the Razer Pro 17 and I didn't like the keyboard, which is why I picked this one up. And these speakers are on par. I don't know if they're better necessarily, but the soft touch is very soft. It sounds silly, but it's like a soft coating over the whole device. It is a touch screen. It's getting a little weird if I press on the sides here. It doesn't seem to register as well. I guess that one did, so never mind. All right, so this will be my first time typing on it. All right, so that was my first experience with the keyboard. I like it a lot. There's a little light like right here, and the keyboard is hard to see in the camera probably. All right, let me get this set up. So this gives me my fingerprint and my face as an option. For now, I'm gonna use fingerprint since it's not at a great location and I want to see how fast it is. All right, so I just got logged in, just went through the proper setup. I've done nothing yet. My immediate impression is the screen's incredible. People that say you don't need a 4K screen on a laptop are ridiculous. It is instantly noticeable. I have the Razer. I have this fingerprint magnet, aka the Razer Pro 17 2021 edition with a 17-inch QHD screen, and it looks good, but nothing like this. Just from an instant turn on. I remember when I instantly turned on the Razer, I thought it was pretty good, but this, as soon as you see it, you're like, hot damn, that's a good screen. All right, so I guess we'll do a couple things here. Another thing, instant impression. I will say people make a big deal about the screen going all the way to the bottom, and it is cool looking, but like if I saw one other guy's video talking about touchscreen, and the touchscreen is really low here, if you want to touch it. I'm not gonna touch it, so it should be fine, but I don't mind the little chin because that raises the screen up a little more. It gives you a higher screen so your neck's not craned over so weirdly. But either way, we'll check it out. Right off the box, let's take a look and see what is installed. Any kind of nonsense here. Dell Cinema Guide, Dell Cinema Color, Dell Customer Connect. So lots of Dell stuff, Adobe Access. There's a Dropbox promotion, and I am a Dropbox user and fan. Killer Control Centers, the Wi-Fi, I believe. Mail, Maps, Max Audio, McAfee. I'll get rid of that. Solitaire is already on here. A bunch of Microsoft stuff. So not too terribly, I guess, other than the McAfee stuff. And then let's look at the task manager. So you can see I have the i7-10750H, and the memory is 32 gigs, 2 slots used. You can go up to 64 in this one, I believe. And you can see it has the built-in Intel UHD graphics, and then it has the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. So I got that Razer, and I did like it, and it's a good productivity machine, but I really haven't, even I'm literally testing it out, I still haven't only gamed on it one time, so I started thinking, maybe I don't really need a gaming laptop. So we'll see if the 1650 Ti is enough or if I'm gonna regret not bumping this one up to the 2060. And so we'll check it out. But as far as unboxing goes, first look, my initial impressions are that I'm kind of blown away. Like, it's pretty much fantastic. A lot better than I expected it to be. I just didn't think I would be so excited to see this thing, but I am. And, I was pretty torn between getting this and the Razer. I ended up getting the Razer first, and I wasn't blown away by the Razer, and that's really annoying when you spend, that kind of money and you're not immediately blown away. Whereas this, the second I open it up, I'm like, boom, that guy's for me. So, big fan already. I'll run through the paces, and we'll do a proper review, but initial impressions, big thumbs up. All right, thanks.